Hello my puffs, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you are new here. The look that we are going for today is a burgundy red smoky eyes. So if you are interested, keep watching. I have already done one of my eyes off camera so that you can understand it a little better. I personally like doing my eyes before the rest of my face because in case if there is any fallout, then we can get rid of it very easily. While picking up your eyebrow color, I mean if you are going for a brow pencil or a brow pomade or anything, then please make sure that the shade that you are going for is just one shade lighter than your hair color so that it looks more natural, or else it can look as if the eyebrows are stamped on, and we don't really want that. That is why I have mixed a little bit of brown shade along with the black, and I am going to use it to fill in my brows. First, I have already brushed my brow hairs downwards. I have brushed up my brow hairs upwards and I have traced the lower line, fill it in. Make sure that you fill it very softly. For my transition shade, I have chosen a sort of light brown shade and I will be placing it on my crease. I have picked up a dusky rose sort of shade and I will be placing that on my crease as well. I have used this maroon kind of shade and I will be placing it on the outer and inner corners of my eye. I have used an even darker maroon sort of shade and I have darkened the inner and outer corners. This will increase the depth even more and also make the center metallic shades pop out. I am using this faded red sort of shade and again using the same flat brush, I will be placing it on the center. Moving on to the lower lid, I will use the same bright red shade and apply it on the center, very close to my lash line obviously. Maroon sort of shade that I used on my outer corners, and I will place it on the outer and inner part of the red shade that we just applied on the lower lash line. Also, I have connected the outer edge, as you can see, of the lower lash line to the upper lash line. I have picked up a matte black shade and I will apply it on the outer edge of my lower lash line. This will help us to give the eye some more depth. For my brow bone highlight, I have used a whitish metallic shade for the inner corner highlight, for which I have chosen a champagne shade. I think the light golden shades of the champagne color will be a great match for the reds and it will make the eyes stand out more. We are going to do a winged liner and I will also extend the inner corners so that our eyes look bigger. It's time for my mascara. I am coating my lashes very well because I am not going to use any falsies today. My face is already primed, moisturized, my lips are also moisturized, so it's time to move on to the foundation directly. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me One here and I will first apply this evenly and then I am using this beauty sponge here to blend this out. I have used the Maybelline Superfresh Compact to set my face, especially the under eyes and on the T-zone. My face has been fully mattified and now it's ready for the contouring. I will just lay down the product in very specific areas. We will blend it later. Contour on the hairline makes the forehead look smaller, and then of course we cannot finish it out without contouring just under the jaw. For the nose contour, I always use a smaller brush. Just trace out the lines first. For my blush, personally I have chosen a maroony dusky shade because I think it will go well with this look. For my highlight today, I have used a whitish shade from the Swiss Beauty palette that I always use for highlighting. I'm going with my fingers right away because it looks more skin-like that way and I have more precise application. For my lipstick, I am using this deep plum shade from Elatine. I am using a darker lipstick shade. That concludes today's look.